Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about viewports and printing options. This blue highlighted line you can see here, this is the viewports. Double click outside this line. To create a viewport, you simply go here in the view and then here viewports. You can see a new viewport. Okay, and these are the functions settings. For now leave it as it is, so click on OK. Now look into the command bar plus viewport, this dark highlighted, that means viewport is active. Now command here is specify first corner or fit. Now I'm specifying the first corner and then specifying opposite corner. Okay, specifying opposite corner. Now this viewports create. Okay, and similarly I will delete it again, and the shortcut command for viewports is mb. Okay, you can type here mb, and then the options appears, and then selecting the first corner, selecting the second corner. This is how you create viewports. Okay, and now double clicking on it in it. Okay, and to inactive this viewport, double click outside that viewport. Okay, to make it active, double click inside it. Okay, you can turn off the grid here, you can turn off grid on and off. Okay, now here are some objects in the model. Okay, let's zoom in. You can see now the other thing you can do is lock this viewport. For now, look here, we can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, this model here inside the viewport, you can double click outside, activating viewport by typing mb here, mview, and here you see the lock option here, blue color highlighted letter. Simply type L and then enter, and then you can turn on. Okay, selecting object, this is our viewport, and pressing enter. Now when you go inside this viewport, you cannot zoom in or zoom out. Okay, this our viewport is locked, we cannot zoom in, work inside this viewport. Okay, zoom in or zoom out here. Okay, look, I'm inside the viewport by double clicking on it, and I'm zooming in, but it is not changing, only we can delete it here. Okay, clicking outside. Now I will turn off the viewport. Okay, go to lock, then pressing off, selecting object, pressing enter, now double clicking it, and you can in and zoom. Okay, now going into the printing option, you can simply click Ctrl P. Okay, Ctrl P here, page setup. This is, you can choose it here. Okay, and here in printer slash plotter, choose DWG to PDF. Here you see, and then you can choose paper size as well. Here you can change the PDF options here. Paper size here, let's choose as ISO full bleed. Okay, ISO full bleed A3. Okay, we'll choose A3, and then you can see the changes here. If layout means this particular layout, if we choose the window, then here you can see in the command line specify first corner. Here specifying first corner, specifying second corner. Okay, and then fit to paper, apply layout, and okay, you can preview as well, but you can see the changes here as we selected that layout. Yeah, window, selected that window, it automatically fits into the paper. Again we'll do that, Control P, selecting window. Okay, for layout, selecting window, fit to paper. Okay, you can do it, change it here. You can window and selecting these two and fit, try to layout, cancel. You can see it automatically fits into the paper. Now again I will decrease the size of the viewport. Now Control P, you can see For now I will leave as layout, and then here you can see plot style table. Always make it as monochrome. Monochrome means that our scale, our drawing will be in black and white. We use different colors in layers that I explained in the previous video. While printing we can use this monochrome option, most preferably used. Similarly, viewports quality you can choose here, and here the main plotting options. You can turn on the transparency, which we change in the drawing, and you can click check mark or uncheck this line weights, paper sketch, and you can change drawing orientation, portrait or landscape, and you can apply it to layout. Yeah, and then okay, cancel here, and after applying you can choose cancel as well. Here is our viewport, increasing it. Okay, now inside the viewport we will come here. Okay, this is now I will press Ctrl P. Okay, after making all these settings I can simply review what it says. Okay, you can close it from here, and if you want to print out then click on OK. Okay, from at desktop write printing options. Okay, save. Okay, yeah, this is first here. Now I will show you. Okay, I will create different, right click on it and new layout. Okay, right click on it, new layout, right click on it, new layout, or you can delete it as well, okay, rename, right click, and you can move or copy, rename, delete. Okay, you can use these settings as well. So for now, that is look here what I told in previous video. You can see the printing options here: plot and publish, job complete, no errors or warnings found. Okay, and now we are going to batch plot. Batch plot means plotting these all layouts simultaneously, okay, at once. So for that, go to file. Here you can see plot here. This is a single line. Okay, go to file. You can see here publish. You can see publish here. Select, click on publish, and you can see here out layout 1, layout 2, layout 3, layout 4. Here we have 3 different, there are 4 numbers of layout. You can see it here. You can remove this as well by here selecting minus here. Okay, remove sheets. You can add sheets as well from outside or model or layout. Okay, layout you can choose. Yeah, for now cancel it and publish in background. You can see it here. Here you can see publish options and the browse the directions where you want to save this drawing. Okay, and simply publish. Hit desktop, printing options, your PDF files. I will be in PDF. Select. Do you want to replace it? Okay, yes, yes. Close. This is the setting of your laptop, so you don't have to worry about that. Publishing. Your printing or publishing job is processing in the background. Here you can see in the bottom right is the printing option. That means our file is printing. Okay, I will close it here. Here you can see here in progress. When you move your mouse cursor here, publish job in progress. Okay, after completing you can see it, job completed, and then the PDF will be opened. Okay, yeah, similarly this inside viewport you can work same as in model. Okay, when I double click inside it, you can see here model, and double click outside the viewport changes to paper. Okay, double click inside it. Okay, you can change, make some changes in here. Look here. Okay, public plot and publish self completed. Okay, this is how you print single paper or all the layouts at once. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the scaling. Double click first to make scaling right in AutoCAD. We simply goes inside the viewports, and here you can see the scaling options, scale of the selected viewports. Okay, right click on it. If you are working on decimal degrees, feet, you can choose this scale. And if you are working on architectural drawing, you can choose this feet inches scale. Okay, now for roughly I will take 1 by 18. Okay, it automatically adjusts the scale in the viewport. Okay, so 1 by 8 inch equals to 8 feet. 1 feet means, yeah, that means 1 inch in this paper. 1 inch in this paper, that is 1 inch length in this paper, represents 8 feet. 8 feet in the real field. Okay, that is how we represent uh, the scaling, this representation of this scaling. We can learn about this scale detailedly as well. So yeah, this is it for AutoCAD. Okay, like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips for learning faster. Peace out.